Hi! In this video we will take a look at how to import a project that was not developed with Android Studio. Before the final release of Android Studio, Eclipse was the main IDE for Android development. The process of importing an app developed with Eclipse into Android Studio is a straightforward one. On my desktop I have a folder called Coloring Book Android Develop, which contains a project developed with Eclipse. I have launched Android Studio, and in order to import the non-Android Studio project, we simply go to Import Project. If you would like to import a project that was developed with Android Studio, you will have to select Open an existing Android Studio project. By clicking Import Project, a new window pops up which allows us to browse to the location of our Android project developed with Eclipse. I will simply navigate to my desktop folder and will select the folder containing the project. On the next step, I'm asked about a destination folder for my new project. Importing the new project creates a copy of the original one and does not alter the original project. I will leave the default option here, which will save the project in my home folder. Next, we can see that Android Studio is trying to replace the project jar files and libraries with dependencies if possible. By clicking Finish, Android Studio will start importing our project, and after a few moments, we can see a summary of the import process. We can also see an error message telling us that Android Studio failed to find the target Android 17. That's because at this time we don't have the Android SDK version 17 installed in our system. There are a couple of ways to solve this problem. We can either install the Android SDK version 17, or we can modify the build configuration file build.gradle to use the latest version of Android SDK that we have installed, API level 22. I will choose the second option because it's a bit faster to accomplish. I will open the project panel and will browse to the build.gradle file located inside the app folder. Here we can find that the compiled SDK version has the value of 17, and we are going to change that into 22. We'll do the same for the target SDK version value. And now our project will use the latest API, version 22, instead of the older one. If we scroll further in this file, we can see that our project is using the Android support library, version 18.0.0. Let's take a look at the SDK manager and see what version of the Android support library do we have installed in our system. By opening the SDK manager and browsing the extras folder, we can see that the version of Android support library is 22. So back to the build.gradle file, we will change the 18.0.0 value into 22.0.0. I will synchronize the project, and after a few moments, we can see that no error is being displayed. Let's make sure that the application is running successfully. I have my Nexus 5 phone connected to the computer, so we'll run the application on this device. And after a few moments, I can see the application running successfully on my Nexus 5 phone. So this is how we import a project that was created with another IDE into Android Studio. Thanks for watching and see you soon.